So 6.1c, and we just have one example here, and then I'll turn you loose. And this is example 4. Gives us a parabola, and that parabola is y squared minus 2y minus 8x minus 31 equals 0. And they want us to find the vertex, the focus, and the directrix, and then draw the graph. Now on this one, notice my y is squared, so we are going to use a different formula here. Let me get the formulas back up here on the page. So notice, with this one with y squared, it's going to be using this formula here, and it's going to open this way or this way. We don't know yet. But anyway, we're going to use all the stuff from this bottom. So we're going to look at this formula, the vertex, the focus, and the directrix. So I'm going to move it kind of up and out of the way so we just have that bit of information there. So again, what we're going to do, we're going to get the y's on one side, x's on the other, complete the square, and get it in this format right there. So I'm going to make my pen a little bit smaller just to make sure I have room. Y squared minus 2y equals 8x plus 31. Now I'm going to complete the square, so I'm going to leave my space there after my 2y. And I'm going to take half of it, 1, and square it, and add that to both sides. Alright, so now I have y squared minus 2y plus 1 equals 8x plus 32. This will change to, and put a minus there because that follows there, a y there, and a 1 there. And then we've got, I'm going to factor an 8 out of there because we have to get it in the right format. Because see over here, we have a number outside the parentheses, so we need to make sure that happens there. And remember, this is a 4, so this 8 needs to turn to a 4. So I'm going to leave this alone. I'm going to write this as 4 times 2, so I get a 4 there. And I've got that. Now that positive 4 needs to change to a negative so that it is similar to this. So I'm going to write it one more time. And then I should be able to figure out pretty quick what my parts are. Okay, so there's the equation that I want. So let's get everything else out of the way. I don't care about that anymore. We just used it all to get to this part right there. Alright, so what's my h? What's my k? And we'll just go from there. So my h is negative 4 from right here. And my k is right there. It's that 1. What is my p? My p is 2. So I have everything I need. So vertex is hk, so negative 4, 1. My focus is, what is it? H plus p, k. So h, negative 4, plus p is 2, so that's going to give me a negative 2. And then my k is 1. So there's my focus. My directrix, again looking up here, is x equals h minus p. So x equals h, negative 4 minus 2, which is my p, gives me x equals negative 6. So that's all I need there. Alright, so it says graph this. So we put this stuff here. We find out our vertex is at negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. It's right there. And I know my focus is at negative 2, 1. So it's right there. So I know it's going to open that way to wrap around that focus. And my directrix is at 5, 6. And for the most part, you're just kind of doing a guessing thing here, knowing that that's your vertex there. And you're done with it. Okay, so that's all there is to doing these. So hopefully when you get to the homework, you won't find too much trouble there. All right, that's it for 6.1.